Hey y'all, today we are sharing a review and our experience with the Omelette Auto Door. All right, it's been a few days, well hello. It's been a few days since last time we talked about the Omelette Door. I went ahead and did the minimal assembly that was required for it. It was basically just putting in 2 pieces of plastic and getting the door in there. And then our door that was already existing in our chickshaw was kind of in rough shape, so I pulled another piece of plywood. All you have to cut for the omelette door is just this opening right here. So I cut that with a jigsaw and screwed it in. And that's really all there is to this installation. The control module for the omelette door is literally just zip tied to the wire mesh that we've got there, and it is protected from the weather in and of itself, so I don't have to worry about it being undercover or anything like that. But yeah, installation was pretty easy. So why did we even pursue getting an automatic door opener? Well, we have a million kids and we try to involve them in the farm chores, but the truth is that nobody wants to go out when it's 20 degrees outside and open the coop for the chicks in the morning or go out at night and get them closed up, but we need to keep them safe. So, and also we like to travel. So it was a way to know that our chickens were gonna be secure without having to depend upon humans, which sometimes don't do what they're supposed to do, myself included. In order to have a door meet our needs, we needed it to be a horizontal opening door, and those are few and far between if you haven't figured that out already. We did try a cheaper version first. We tried 2 of them, as a matter of fact, and it did not go well. They were not weatherproof. We got water into the control panel. Eventually the door broke. We finally took our own money and went ahead and bought this, and just from the feel of it, it is vastly different than the El Cheapo ones that we've gotten. So as you can tell by how dirty it has been installed for a few weeks now so that we could give you an intelligent review of the things that we like and don't like. One of the first things I like, as I've already said, is how substantial it is. It really does feel secure, and I appreciate that. You can't really force the door when it's closed, so I feel good about that. I also like that it has this anti-squish bar. It has a better name, but I don't remember what it is. If you see here, if a chicken were standing in the door and the door were trying to close, it would push right here, and that would tell the module to go ahead and open back up again. I like that better than some of the other versions I've seen, because the other versions rely on resistance from the door, and that can get clogged up very easily with bedding or whatever. So it's a much better situation for that. The thing that I really like about it is that the control module is separate from the door, so you can put it wherever is convenient for you. It has a light sensor, so it can be controlled by the amount of daylight coming in, which is very nice. It can also be controlled manually or based on time. You can always open the door or close the door just by holding down this button. It's also pre-wired to control a Coop light as well. So at any point you can choose to go ahead and upgrade to the Coop light if you want to add supplemental light in the winter. We did not get the one that was Wi-Fi enabled, but they have that too, so you can control it from your phone, which is just cool. It takes a few AA batteries, and I mean, it's been out here for almost a month and they're still saying they're at 100%, so that's pretty good. The only, I don't even know if you call it an issue that we've had with it, is not specific to the omelette door. It's just because of our mobile coop. The door is high up off the ground, about a foot high, so we did have to put a little ramp in for them to finally start using it consistently. This is just a temporary situation. I need to put something better there. But if your door is up off the ground because of a mobile coop or whatever, you're going to have to figure out something, because they won't just jump up in here. At least ours weren't. So all in all, we really like it. I can fully recommend the Omelette Auto Door. It has made farm chores much easier. The chickens like it, and I have seen the anti-squish mechanism in action, and it functions perfectly. So I approve.
Hey, go inside. We need some B-roll for the video.